Hello and welcome to Sleep Cove, the place to come for a great night's sleep. Please listen to this recording in a place where you can safely go to sleep. Hi everyone, and I hope everyone is ready to change those clocks on time and get ready to be in the mood for the winter seasons coming up. People can struggle in the winter seasons as the nights draw in and the days get colder. People can feel down or their sleep cycles can get out of sync. I've recorded this sleep hypnosis episode that is designed to make you feel positive about the winter months ahead and also help you get in a good sleep cycle as the clocks change and the nights draw in. I really hope you'll enjoy it, and with this episode you'll go into a very deeply relaxed state that you can come out of whenever you want. And let's begin. I would like you to sit back and allow yourself to relax. To help you relax, I'm going to ask you to take 3 nice deep breaths and begin imagining a place where you know you can always allow yourself to relax. Because this is your place. You know you are safe and you can allow yourself to relax. Your place can be beautiful. It can be a sunny beach where the sun is gently warming your skin and you can hear the waves gently coming on shore. All because this is your place. It can be a beautiful, shady spot in the woods where you feel a nice gentle breeze and hear birds chirping in the trees. This is your place, so it can be anywhere you choose. And imagine your place is just a few steps away from you. Maybe just 10 steps away. And I'm going to count from 10 down to 0. And with each number I count, I would like you to imagine yourself taking a step closer to your place. So let's begin. 10. Taking your first step closer to your wonderful feeling of relaxation, that safe place you're headed to. 9. Feeling more and more relaxed. No need to hurry. Plenty of time. 8. Moving easily now. 7. Deeper and deeper as you move closer and closer to your place. 6. Deeper still, your breathing becomes slower and steadier. 5. Relaxing now. Just let go. 4. Becoming calmer and calmer. 3. More peaceful, more serene. 2. More and more relaxed. 1. All the way down now to 0. And you feel you are at your safe and special place now. And you feel so relaxed from the top of your head all the way down to the tips of your toes. Every muscle, every joint, every tendon, every single part of you, inside and out, feels relaxed and amazing. You're breathing deeply and serenely. Perfect breathing for your body as you take deep breaths in through your stomach, and at the peak of the inhale you just relax and let the whole breath gently release from your nose or your mouth. And this deep relaxation and this deep breathing makes you feel absolutely amazing. Now I want you to imagine that you are alone, walking through a beautiful sunny meadow filled with a lot of wildflowers. There is nothing to disturb you in this peaceful setting. As you walk along, you find a place to sit and rest by a big oak tree. It is so peaceful with a gentle breeze. As you are looking at the meadow and the flowers, there is a very large bright yellow flower next to you. You pick the flower up and smell the fragrance. And you notice that the flower has many petals on it. And by counting backwards from 20, you pluck a petal from the flower until you get to number 1. One petal removed and scent floating in the breeze. 19, the next petal removed and scent floating in the breeze. 18, another petal removed and scent floating in the breeze. 17, the next petal you remove is scent floating in the breeze. And 16, another petal removed, floating in the breeze. And 15, you send the next petal floating in the breeze. 14, another petal. And 13, pulling another one, you float it in the breeze and you become more and more relaxed. 12, another petal, and feeling more deeply relaxed now. 11, sending it floating again, feeling so relaxed and comfortable. 10, you pluck another petal, and it goes gently away again in the breeze, and you feel more comfortable and more relaxed. 9, another petal pulled, and it floats away. 8, you are very relaxed now, more relaxed than before, as you pull off another petal. 7, another petal floats away. 6, and 5, you feel doubly relaxed now, as the next petal is sent floating away in the breeze. And 4, you feel the most relaxed you have done, as your relaxation doubles again. 3, the final petals now, and 2 and 1, and you feel so relaxed and so at ease. We are currently entering the winter months, where the clocks have gone back and the evenings will be drawing in and getting darker every night until the winter solstice. The weather is getting colder, more rainy and more windy. Some people struggle with this time of year because of the clocks changing and because of the nights drawing in. We go out of our natural sleep cycle. And what I'm about to say is going to help you get back into a normal cycle. You'll make sure that you go to sleep at a time that will give you adequate hours sleep. So if that means going to bed a little early, you will do that. And when you go to sleep, you will be in a place ready to be recharged, ready to possibly listen to my voice and feel positive affirmations about yourself, so you can gently fall asleep and be in that state of sleep. The next day you'll wake up feeling refreshed, feeling centered, feeling positive about facing the day, knowing that you are going to have a brilliant day. The colder, darker days won't seem negative at all, but you'll see the beauty in them, in the changes of the seasons, of the leaves changing colour, of snowfall on the ground, of nature in its full glory as it regenerates, as the birds and squirrels fatten up for the winter, as animals go to hibernate in their cosy underground burrows and homes. You'll see the beauty in these seasons and these times. Snow piled up on mailboxes and sundials and bird feeders, and the ground a brilliant white, and the trees looking so beautiful as the leaves go through their natural hues. This truly is a beautiful time of year, where the world, where animals, where nature, and where humans regenerate and feel positive about the weeks ahead. You may celebrate the holidays at this time of year and look forward to these times of rest, celebration, and spending more time with our loved ones, family and friends, pets, children, and people who you want to be close to. This time can be for you to spend with these people. It can be for you to take some time and look after yourself. You just know that you can do this at this time of year. You will feel positive. You will feel amazing, and you will embrace this time of year because you are strong. Nothing will get you down, and most certainly you will make sure you get a good night's sleep every night, because you know that the body relies on sleep for you to rest and to feel good the next day. And if listening to my voice through these recordings helps you, then so be it. Because everyone needs a little help now and then. All you know is that you will embrace positivity, happiness in the upcoming days, weeks, and months. And you will get your rest that you need. And you will love this time of year and everything it brings, because it is pointless being sad or unhappy. You will feel good. You will feel wonderful. You will be in control of your sleep. And you can embrace this over and over again. And the more you listen to my voice on these recordings, the more positivity you can bring into yourself. And you learn to love this time of year.